Can you just pull it all out and put it by the Christmas tree? Thank you. This is cool. Compass and a rope and a whistle.
What's a whistle for?
In case you're in trouble. Candle. Waterproof matches.
But that's not as loud.
Well, I didn't blow it hard.
Did you get all the stuff out, Elise?
Can you just pull it all out, please? I don't want to lose anything. It's really stuck in there. What is that?
What?
That box
What box?
that I'm looking at right now.
What one?
It has American Girl on the side. Is that the box from Julie?
No. Caroline inside.
Well, whose is it?
I don't know. It doesn't say.
What do you think it's for?
Why is it here?
I don't know.
Well, whose is it?
I don't know.
Do you think it could be yours?
It could possibly be mine.
How in the world could it possibly be yours?
I don't know.
I didn't put it there, did you?
Maybe Santa left it for Lucas. Do you think it could be for you? Well, you better hurry up and take it before Lucas gets it.
But I'm not allowed to. What if it's not mine?
Well, who else is it going to be for?
Jake or
Mine?
Diego?
Is it
Well,
mine
who,
then?
did Santa left it here for somebody, and it's not going to be for Jake or Diego or me or Dad.
Then is it mine?
Well, you are a little girl that likes dolls.
True.
Maybe it's for you.
Okay. Can I have it? Can I? I know you're putting a trick.
Let me see it. Maybe they messed up. Maybe they weren't supposed to leave you too.
It's not even that.
What? What if it's not? What if it's somebody else's?
Is it mine now, though?
What do you think, Elise?
I don't know. I think we should send her back. It doesn't say it's for you.
Well, it doesn't say for anybody. It was right here, and then I took it out.
You couldn't have gotten to.
Give it to me.
I don't know.
Well, maybe if you hold her, she'll become true in your heart and yours. Quick release her from her cryogenic sleep.
What's wrong with her? She has so much stuff on her. is it?
Lucas was asking for Caroline too.
You gonna send that to Reggie?
You better hurry up and hold her. If you hold her, she's yours.
Got her.
You didn't hug her though. Heart to heart. Bye.